Week 6, well done. You are halfway through the teaching period. It flies sometimes. This week, we are looking at the role of the teacher, and we're looking at intentional teaching. I think as a teacher, we can wear many different hats, and it's really important that we are intentional in what we are allowing children to play with, and how we can model for them play, and how we can help them make sense of the world around them. And really facilitate this not just for learning right now, but learning in the future. So this week we're really looking at the early years literacy frameworks, the early years literacy framework, and the key learning outcomes that they have. And I think early years literacy framework really look at intentional teaching and play-based learning really, really well in a very different way to what primary do. I love that in early years you have the ability to run with ideas like the garden centre that we watched in this week's module. The preschool teachers were able just to run with their ideas, and there was so much learning within that, in a way that I don't think primary as such you're able to do as much because of the curriculum and all the learning outcomes that we have to meet. But I can go into that another time. So this week, hop onto the discussion board. Don't be a fly on the wall, but I would love you to contribute. Love you to discuss what you think that the role of the teacher should be, what you think about intentional teaching, and all those questions that have been asked on the modules. Think about that. Think about where you stand with your theories. And what your role is as a teacher. Is it just to stand back and not do anything? Or do we get in there? Do we scaffold learning? Do we model how to play? Why is it important? Why do you think it's not important? But this is really important for your final assessment. So obviously in about 2 hours your final assessment is due. Thanks to those of you who have got it in on time. Looking forward to reading them. If you've still got a few last minute things to get done on it, then good luck, and I'm looking forward to reading them. Have a great week everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.